What's up? Today I'm going to show you how to download and install AnyDesk in Windows 10 or any other laptop. Search any browser AnyDesk for PC, then click anydesk.com.windows, click over it. Here you are seeing that to many platforms. I am downloading only for Windows. Here you can see the download version and size. Click download now. Your download will automatically start. After downloading, click show in folder. Click over it. Here is saying that your AnyDesk address. Click install AnyDesk. Installation path C drive. Then enable recommended setting. Then accept and install. Then yes. It will take few seconds to install. Would you like to install this device? It is a printed device. Don't install it. Then close it. Double click over AnyDesk. Pin to text bar. If you want to create a session or if you want to connect with any other AnyDesk computer, type here address. Before connecting, you have to register. Click register account. Select support family and friends. Then type your first name and last name. After that, email. Give a strong password. Then retype your password. Then click agree. After agree, click register. You have to verify your email address. Go to your Gmail. Then you will see a verification link. Click over it. Click here. Then your account will be created. Click here to proceed. Your account has been updated. Go to application, then close it. Now you can log in by typing your password and email ID. Click login. Now if you want to connect with another PC, click create a new session. Create a new session. Then enter remote address. Enter remote address of other AnyDesk account. Here I am typing my AnyDesk ID. For example, I am showing you how to connect and transfer file. Then click connect. After connecting, a pop-up will send to remote device. Then they have to accept. After accepting, you can transfer file at your device and On the opposite side, remote device, you can transfer as you want. You can view file, transfer file, upload and download. You can download file also. You can install any software. You can open any document from another PC. And if you want to reboot the remote device or restart, you can click it. You can see the remote device configuration, RAM, CPU, graphics card, hard disk type, all type of information from here. After completing, click exit, then close. Then you are seeing that recent session, remove selected items. So that's all. Thanks for watching.